Hello kids, welcome to the environmental class for standard 1. Today we are going to see a very interesting lesson and the lesson name is living thing and non-living thing. First, let's see the meaning of living things and non-living things. So, living means alive, that is, they have life. Let's see who are the living things. First, it's human being. Human means man, women, children. They are all called as human being. Animals. Animal include all kind of wild and domestic animal. Third, birds. And finally, it's plants and tree. Children, plants and tree is not like a human or an animal, but they show some movements in them. Now I would like to show you a video. In that you can see the movements of the plants. So, children, did you notice the growth of the plant? That means all living thing can grow, they can eat, they can move, and they can breathe and reproduce. That's about living thing, children. So, children, you have a task for this topic living thing. You have to find any two living thing and list out their activities. Next, we are going to see about non-living things. First, let's see the meaning. Non-living means not alive, that is, they do not have life. Let's see what are the non-living things. Ball, pencil, table, door, and books. These things are called as non-living things because they do not eat, do not grow, do not breathe, do not have young ones, do not feel, and do not move. Now, let's see the difference between living and non-living things through a interesting video.
What happened? Why are you crying?
My teddy bear does not eat anything. I am giving him chocolate, but he's not eating.
But teddy bears don't eat anything.
But why do they not eat anything?
Oh, because they are non-living things.
But we eat things. See, even my little Tommy is eating.
Because you, me, and animals are living things.
Living things, non-living things. I don't understand.
Okay, let's understand it. You know, the whole world is made up of living and non-living things, like your teddy bear, this picture on the wall, this table, and the fan. These are all non-living things.
Okay, I understand. Now please can you tell me the names of a few living things?
You, me, Tommy, and the tree in the garden outside are all living things.
But how can we know which thing is living and which thing is non-living?
Very good question. It is very easy. Come, let's learn about the differences in the living and non-living things. Look at this chart. On the one side I have written living, and on the other side I have written non-living.
So now you will write the differences between the two, right?
Yes, you're right. You are my genius brother.
Yes, I am. Because I watch MakeMeGenius.com every day.
Let's start writing the differences. Tell me one difference between you and this fan.
Oh, the fan does not eat anything.
And even the teddy bear does not eat anything. So let's write the first difference. Living things eat and non-living things don't eat.
Oh, I know one more. I breathe in and breathe out, but my teddy bear does not do that.
Wow! You are right. Living beings breathe and non-living things don't breathe. Let me write it with my magic wand.
See that? Tommy just told us the other difference. Tommy and we can move, but non-living things can't move.
Yes, this picture on the wall, table and teddy bear can't move. Let's also note this down. So now we know 3 differences between living beings and non-living things. I can eat, I can move, I can breathe, I am a living thing.
You are a good dancer. But I have one confusion. Look at this fan. It is moving. You said it is a non-living thing, but then how is it moving?
Okay. You see, Jimmy, this fan is not moving by itself. It is moving because of electricity. But you, me, and your teddy bear don't need electricity to help us move. Let's look on the road from this window.
Look at those cars. They are moving on the road. But I know that these are moving because of gasoline or fuel. They can't move by themselves.
So now you know the secret behind movement of non-living things. Do you want to learn more about the differences between these two?
Yes, this is very interesting. I told you 3 differences. Now it is your turn.
Let's look at this picture. Who is this with, Mom and Dad?
Ha ha ha! It is me when I was smaller.
So now you've grown up, correct?
Yes, everybody grows up and becomes bigger and bigger. Look at you. Even you have grown up and become bigger.
Can this table become bigger?
No, even my teddy bear did not grow up. It's of the same size even in the picture.
That's absolutely correct. That is the difference. Living beings grow up, but non-living beings don't grow up.
So, children, after seeing the difference between living and non-living, you would have understood the living and non-living things. Can you see this picture and identify the non-living thing? So, students, let me tell you the answer. Number 1, ball. Number 2, pen. Number 3, eraser. Number 4, table. And last, it's stone. So, the things that are marked are non-living and remaining are called as living things. Here, we wind up the class. Thank you for watching the video.